working on this 1J non-BBTI. Well, it's any J series. I don't know if any other engines do this, but the belt walk, when it's flush like this, should never do that. It should be like in the middle, in the center of it. There's a couple reasons why it does that. It's either the tensioner is seized or not spaced right, missing that washer that goes in between the tensioner and the pulley and the block, or there's like a guide washer behind the timing gear. But we're gonna find out. Let's pull out this radiator. Poor man's way to lock the crank pulley. Have it looped around, fold it, tucked underneath the crank. There she blows. Everything looks good, but see it walking off of this pulley or tensioner? It's because this, you can see that red pink mark is where the crankshaft stopped. Well, that's about right there. And it's not even touching it. It should be pressed against this so it doesn't walk with this guide washer. That's no good. Maybe push her in further.